In Botswana, a significant number of people are unemployed, but there are opportunities to earn a living online. One of the most effective ways to make money online without any initial investment or capital is through freelancing. Freelancing platforms serve as marketplaces where individuals can offer their services to potential clients and business owners. These platforms provide a wide range of opportunities, allowing users to sell various services such as video editing, creating promotional materials, image editing, documentation, translation, and file conversion. By leveraging these platforms, individuals can monetize their skills and earn a living online. Freelancing platforms are great resources for those looking to start their online career. And with the right mindset, it is possible to succeed and earn a decent income.